Hey guys, have you ever thought about starting a blog? It's not only a great way to make new friends and connect with people from all over the world, but it's also a way to get your voice heard. With so many diverse viewpoints out there, blogging allows for healthy discussion and debate. And did you know that blogging is also a great way to get rid of the hassles of traditional publishing? You can publish your work, articles, pictures, videos, all by yourself through your blog. Plus, with the rise of social networking sites, blogging and socializing have almost become indistinguishable. Blogging and social networking are like two peas in a pod, both about connecting through pictures and words. While blogs can be private, the main idea is to share thoughts with a lot of people. These concepts have been around online for almost a decade, initially separate but now recognizing their common goals. Blogs are like online diaries to share thoughts and meet people worldwide. Social networking is a lively place where you're likely to find an audience. The term blog comes from weblog, meaning a diary. It started simple and later got popular with free services like Blogger. But wait, there's more. They're an ebook, Blogging Basics for Beginners, that can help you get started on your blogging journey. And the best part? It only costs $4. That's right. For just $4, you can learn all the ins and outs of blogging and start sharing your ideas with the world. So why wait? Click on the link in the first comment to buy this ebook and start your journey as a blogger today. Trust me, it's worth it.